Hello friends, I am Bipin Damania. This is my second video regarding Tally TDL remark. I have already uploaded that TDL in the Tally, so I will not waste my time how to upload the TDL in Tally. You all may know. Let's start. Suppose if you want to mark for a voucher certain comments or a remark or note, you can do so. In this era of COVID, you may receive your purchase bill through WhatsApp or email and you don't receive any physical copy. So if you want to mark that we have not received physical bill, you can do so for that particular voucher. So you select this voucher for which you have not received the physical bill 1, 2 and 3. Then press Ctrl 9. There is a button on the right side. Press Ctrl 9 and you write physical, whatever comment you want to write. I write simply physical copy not received. And that remark or a comment will appear on your screen and store that thing. I will show you how it will show in the voucher also. See, in voucher also it will appear after the voucher number, and also whatever narration you have wrote, after that also it will show the same. This is because you have this TDL, but suppose you are sending data to someone, that is your auditor or a CA, then he may also check what remark is written in that narration. So this is very helpful. You can write anything. Suppose after receiving your copy you want to remove this, further you select the same and press Ctrl 9 and leave empty your remark. It will remove from the remark. Now I will show you another thing, that suppose you have received some payment from the customer, but customer informed you that please deposit check after 5 or 10 days. For accounting purpose you have to do that entry, and you have already did that entry, that payment is received. So here in this case also you can write that remark that please deposit after 10 days. So the user or your accountant may come to know that entry is done, but the check should be deposited after 10 days. You can see this in columnar register also. Further I will show you. This is my educational version, so the entry date will be 1, 2 or 31st only. Say soft copy. Now you press F8 for columnar report. Here also you can see that soft copy in the remark. Another thing you can do, in configuration sorting, you may sort this remark ascending or descending order. See, and also you can filter the data by using range F12. Voucher remark as empty, so the whichever voucher does not have the remark, that will show, and suppose remark as non-empty, you will see that remark only. So I hope you will like this, and this is very useful for each and everyone in the business as well as auditor CAs also. Please subscribe, like this video and write your suggestion. And if you want to buy this, you may contact me via email or WhatsApp. The detail of my contact is given in the description. Thank you.